In today's video, we'll be providing you the location of the fuse that powers the ignition coils for your 1999 through 2003 Ford F-150. Let's go over briefly how the ignition coils get their power and ground signals for this year range of vehicle. This applies to both the 6-cylinder and 8-cylinder engines. All the coils share the same 12-volt power feed shown in red. There is a fuse also shown in red that powers each coil. Each ignition coil is ground side controlled by the powertrain control module as shown in the picture. In order for the PCM to have control over each coil has its own dedicated ground side wire going to the PCM, shown in black. So in today's video, we'll be providing you the location of this fuse. This is definitely a fuse you want to check if you're experiencing a crank no start issue, or you've determined the ignition coils aren't receiving any power. The fuse box is going to be located on the driver's side to the left of the steering wheel. Remove the access panel to reveal the fuses and relays. The fuse that powers the ignition coils is a 30 amp fuse. It is fuse number 30 on the fuse box diagram. Please keep in mind that this fuse not only powers the ignition coils, but it also powers the passive anti-theft transceiver, your cluster, and your powertrain control module relay. The actual physical location of the fuse is shown in the picture. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. This is how you perform a resistance test using a digital multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Second, after making sure your test probes are in the correct ports and verifying your tool is configured correctly, touch one of your leads to one side of the fuse and touch your other lead to the other side of the fuse. If your display shows OL or doesn't change, this means the fuse is bad. If your display shows 0 or virtually 0 resistance, this means your fuse is good. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.